Okay, so as some of you already know, I have been recently made redundant. It's been 26 years I've been working for the company, and my last day was 2 days ago. So it's my second day of being free and having no job. Since I released the last video, I have been flooded with comments wishing me best of luck and saying things like, as one door closes another opens, all that kind of thing, and giving me all the best wishes that they could possibly give. And I am totally flabbergasted about over how many comments I've received about it. So thank you very much. A lot of the comments were saying, don't be get depressed about losing your job. But in that video, I was depressed about Herman and the problems that we had, not the job, not the redundancy. So, but still, thank you very much for all your concerns and your best wishes. And that's what this video is about. Well, partly anyway. I wanted to respond to all the best wishes that I've recently received, and they're still coming through. Now I've got loads of free time on my hand now, and what I want to do is spend more time on the channel. Now I am financially comfortable, meaning I don't really need a job just yet. So I thought to myself, well, what can we do different or add more to the channel? And I wanted to see what you guys thought. If you have any ideas, what would you like to see on the channel? Now, I think a lot of you are going to say more travel videos in Herman, and I have to agree. I would love to go traveling more. Unfortunately though, I don't feel like it would be a good idea to do it on my own without Zoe, because me and Zoe, we've gelled together on the camera, I think, and it makes it a lot better, more entertaining, it'd be less forced. It's less forced. If I went out on my own, I feel like I'm only doing a video. I'm only going out traveling to make a video, and that might be the case, but it just, at the moment, it doesn't feel right. And of course, some of you might say, oh yeah, we want more maintenance videos, more fixing Herman videos. Well, I'll do a video whenever we go to work on him. However, I can't fix what's not broken, so those type of videos will come out when we ever do anything on Herman, if it makes sense. If it's a little thing, and then I might not bother. And of course, there is the news videos that I've been working on. They will still get produced. However, I'm kind of being a bit picky now about what news to report, because there's only so many times that you can have news about motorhomes catching fire or being stolen or being turned over on motorways. It still happens. I just don't report it as often anymore, because it doesn't actually impact many people, and after a while I guess people just nod off from them. But I want to like the impactful news, the ones that are really going to matter to a lot of people, such as the DVLA changes. Anyway, so the things I want to include on the channel are stuff that we are going to find, us and you guys, find interesting to watch. They have to be enjoyable to watch. I have a few ideas of my own. How about a channel update video, or channel update videos? Now this is kind of one of them. However, personally, I don't particularly watch channel update videos myself, so I don't expect anybody else to. But what do you think? What about channel? The kind of things you'd be seeing on there would be, well, what's happening to us this month? What are we expecting to do? Where are we going? That kind of thing. Reading out your comments, if they're aimed at the channel, you can say, "Oh yeah, we did this." So I was thinking about maybe you could get your name mentioned. You could tell us stories that you've had in your motorhome, funny anecdotes, all that kind of thing, places that you visited that you think that we should visit, all that kind of stuff. And also you could send us photographs. I'll give you an email address where you can send photographs to, and we'll just show them in the video. What about bringing back live streams? It's been a while since we've done the live streams, and I don't mean like the hour and a half live stream, although that might be we might do those as well, but with Zoe. But the live streams I'm thinking of are like 10 minutes, short live streams about where we are, what we're doing, or maybe combine the live stream with the channel update video. I don't know, it's still ticking around in my head. But there'd be no games, no bingo. I know people are thumbs downing right now, but no bingo. But and then each live stream will have something that we're going to talk about. And it could be the latest changes to campsites, or I don't know, whatever. What about bringing back? Now I ain't done this for a long while. Bringing back 3 Minute Thursday. That was a supposedly 3-minute video where I talk about something related to motorhomes. I did that simply to alleviate the boredom of staying away from home while working and staying in a hotel for a few days. So it was just something I did in the evenings. So, but the thing is, I need to come up with a list of subjects, okay? And I think I've done quite a lot of those subjects already. I've got a list somewhere. So that's 3 Minute Thursday. I had a comment from somebody called Topcaf the other day, and they suggested that maybe what I could do as an idea is things to do and see that you wouldn't have your motorhome with, or you don't own a motorhome, so anyone can go and do this thing. And the example that they gave was weird museums, and I thought, weird museums. Instantly, what popped into my head was the Pencil Museum. Never been there. I don't even know where it is, but I thought, well, that could be quite interesting. You know, just me going out there and taking a look around, just like any other vlog, really. So there's that kind of thing. It doesn't have to be museums, of course. It could be anything that's weird or strange or wacky. And I'm thinking that maybe, you know, show where you could park your motorhome or where you could stay. Don't know. Again, another thing that's just ticking away in my head. So they're my ideas. But what about you? If you have any ideas, stick them in the doobly-doo. That's the comments section. And we'll see where we go from there, I think. I think next time I'll do an update video. I'm going to include, well, if it's popular, if this is popular, then what about we do something, if you can send in, and this is just to get the ball rolling really, if you can send in stories and stuff about your motorhome, your leisure vehicle, could be a caravan as well, and it could be new or old, it doesn't have to be a particular model or make, but just a story or two about, you know, you spending time in it, a funny story, an interesting story, a weird story, something that you think everybody else might like to know about. And I'll leave a email address in this video description, so you can email me your photographs and email me your story as well, through the email if you like, or just in the comments. Of course, the comments you can't attach photos to, so that's why the email address will be there. So yeah, that's it. That's kind of a quick update video to say thank you and some ideas. Let's know what you think. Send us some of your stories about your motorhome. It doesn't have to be the one you're in now. It can be the one that you had 20, 30 years ago. And we see where we go from there. So thanks very much for watching. Bye bye now.